Trapper Red here with another Trapper Red kind of video. Tip. Here's a tip for you techies out there. This is Radio Shack rosin core solder light duty. It's like can't hardly read it with these glasses on. Distorts everything. What's that say? 32.032 diameter. So it's a 60-40 rosin core flux. Tin lead mix. Okay, so that's what I use for soldering. When you do your work, keep your parts organized. For that, I use these kind of cups, these little cups, and they come in good for dispensing rubbing alcohol and other cleaning fluids that you're going to need. These kind of screwdrivers don't hold much weight in this type of work. However, they're good for pawing into larger cases and so on and so forth. But as far as these notebook computers with the plastic, these little kind of tools come in handy. Jeweler screwdrivers and so on and so forth. So invest in small tools. This one is a Craftsman, I believe. This, I don't know where I got it. Anyways, getting on to the technical aspects of this board, refurbishment and cleanup. I had to resolder the power connector right here. These 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I took it all apart, took all the boards off, the heat sinks, and took the processor out and cleaned the whole board with alcohol, and then let it dry, and then reassembled the heat sink and fan assembly. This is the microprocessor right here, and this is the heat sink, one heat sink and the other. Notice how they're mated up to these fans precisely? That's to draw air across the processor and through the whole PC board. Look at this date, 04/07/30. That's a future date. April 7th, 2030. Crazy. I can tell you when this computer was built and everything because they sign it. They have labels and dates on when it was constructed, and you can read it. This is the RAM right here. This is a RAM slot for the RAM that's in the system. It comes in the system, and it's not supposed to be taken out. And then this, because the board, you have to take the board out to get it. And this other RAM is the accessible RAM. So this is where you add on memory. This is the actual system RAM memory on this side. And this would be add-on. Okay, so then the case, keep everything clean. You want to clean it with alcohol, and make sure to reinstall the boards properly with the right sized hardware. You don't want to crack anything. This is the Wi-Fi board, and these wires are the antenna. This is something I found out. Usually what they do on these is they run the antenna up into the borders of the display. That way it acts as a wide area receiver on a WAN, a wide area network. Alright, so I cleaned up this stuff, and right now I'm busy drying out this keyboard that I also cleaned up and gave an alcohol bath. So I've got it out in the sun to dry, and I'm going to let it dry a little bit more. Look how, see the back side of this? There's little plastic membranes, and you can, if you look carefully, if you've had it for any length of time, what happens is